Question number 6 is a surprising question. We talk about evidence that matter is composed of atoms. It first appears in IBDP. We've never seen this kind of question before, so we can do it by method of elimination. First of all, the light spectrum of hydrogen molecules showing that hydrogen atoms, hydrogen's electron have fixed energy state and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is not about the atom, it's about the energy state of the electron in the hydrogen. And the second one, the sodium chloride becomes can conduct electricity. So it seems that sodium and chloride are ions. Okay? They have some ions inside sodium chloride, so it's not about atoms. Okay. Number 3, okay, water is liquid, and the other thing is gas, showing that different matter can have different attractive force. Okay, more attractive force, okay, they will be liquid. Less attractive force, then they will be gases. But we don't know what the matter is. Okay, so it's not about atom first. So the last one, the D, will be answered because they said that the carbon combined with fixed 16 grams or 32 grams of oxygen, but not other ways. So it means that they are composed of atom. So atom are joined together to form molecules. So it is the answer. So the answer is D.